Welcome back to the makeup breakdown, where I break down makeup looks, teach you how to recreate them, because they are so much easier than you think. Hi, I'm Ariana. I'm a certified makeup artist and beauty creator since 2017. Those are my credentials. Let's get into it. This is the look of the day. This is a stunning and classic bold red lip with a really skinny wing. Such a look. Iconic. Let's do it. The palette that we're getting into today is the ColourPop Bare Necessities palette, a perfect palette for neutral looks, endless potential. This look isn't really about the eyeshadow, but more about like a super skinny, understated wing, but that doesn't mean that we don't need any eyeshadow. There are like really subtle things in makeup that make such a huge difference between looking made up and just looking like casually running errands, and I'm going to show you the difference. So I'm taking a really light brown on this fluffy blender brush, and I'm just going to put that right in my crease. So this is actually going to give me a little bit more definition. It's going to create some shadows, and it's also going to mattify but sculpt my eye shape and my eyelid. So we're not doing anything crazy by any means, but you can see there's already a little bit of a difference between my left and right eye. Going in with a peach shade, this is much lighter than that brown color. I'm going to put this all over the lid. This is just going to kind of separate the lid from the crease, creating a little bit more definition. And this is basically like reverse contouring. Now you can clearly see where my crease starts and where my lid starts. I'm going to take that same peach shade and I'm going to put it right on the brow bone. This is going to separate the eyebrow from the crease and transition area. So we basically are creating like a sandwich between light, dark, and light. Highlight, shadow, highlight. You can also take that dark brown and blend it into your nose contour so that your bone structure looks like it's flowing really nicely and your makeup looks so much more natural. So that is literally it for eyeshadow. Now we're going to move on to the wing. I'm going to use the L'Oreal Infallible Felt Tip Liner. This is like super skinny. So when you are going for like a really skinny liner, you want to make it as close to the lash line as possible. And then the wing is going to be really skinny as well. You're going to kind of follow your lower lash line. And you can make this as long or as short as you want, but the long skinny wing is what we're going for today. So the part that makes the wing really thick is this triangle right here. I want to make sure that the wing is flowing really nicely in this outer corner because there is a dip in your eyelid when it goes like that. But we want to make sure that the liner is uplifting our eyes. Another area that it's really easy to make eyeliner thicker than you want it is when it's in the center of the lid, when you're trying to create a really nice smooth line. Which is why an eyeliner tip like this is super helpful. The longer the brush, the more confidence you can have when you're creating a line, and the straighter that it'll be. For mascara, we're going in with a L'Oreal Extensionist mascara. Completely unsponsored, but here we are. For this type of look and a really skinny wing, lengthen your lashes will look so good because you can actually see them, as opposed to like a dark, solid, smoky eye where your lashes are kind of blended in with the darkness on your lid. This mascara is really good at giving length, more so than volume, which is exactly what we're going for. And this is the difference between a bare eyelid with no makeup on or no concealer, literally just skin and maybe some skincare, and then an eyeshadow look that was literally like 3 steps, but it makes the look so made up. I'm gonna go ahead and do the same exact thing on the other eye. Light brown in the crease, a light peach on the lid, and a light peach on the brow bone. So this is the skinny wing on its own. Now we're going to go ahead and do the red lip. I'm using the L'Oreal Color Riche lip liner in the shade Worth It Intense. This is like a really dark brown. They're super creamy and it's a little bit warm tone. So I think this would look really good with red lips. I will always need like a brown liner for red lips because bright red lips can look a little crazy on me. And we're going in with a Hank and Henry lipstick in the shade Te Amo. And this one is so pretty because it has glitter in it, but it doesn't come off on the lips in the cream lipstick, but it's still really cute. So I'm not sure if this is showing up like ridiculously bright on camera, but it looks good in person. It's not like a super bright red, but it's still very bold. So this is the final look. Super classic, very clean, but still bold and iconic. If you have any brown girl friendly red lipstick recommendations, please let me know, because I don't mind making this a frequent look of mine. This is such a simple classic look that looks like you can just do it. I highly recommend adding this iconic look to your makeup skills bag. Let me know what you think about this on me, and if you are a red lipstick person. If you have any other recommendations for makeup looks that you'd like a breakdown of, please send it to me on TikTok, send it to me on Instagram. Don't forget to leave a like down below before you leave. It really helps me out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.